Oh boy, we're doing this again. I'm live streaming. I'm like 3 or 4 hours late, but I got there in the end, and I guess that's what's important. Florian's been on away all day, so I don't know if he's actually like ready to live stream today. I don't know. But either way, I'm idling in the Game Squid channel, so maybe Florian is going to appear, or maybe one of the other Game Squid people. I don't even know if I'm just like allowed to be here, but I'm here. So yeah, let's do some of this. What are we even doing? I probably should have figured out what I want to do this time before I got into the game, but it's too late. Let's see. This all looks pretty cool. Oh god, there's a lot of bullets. Kind of difficult. Things are way too fast, I think. Need to slow that down a little. And then there's the boss. He dies. Then you do the minigame. Then you shoot him. Nice little glow effect on that laser beam, which I quite like. And then you win. You get an item. Okay. Cool. Maybe I should have some kind of icon for the these things. So these items. So there's a few types of item you can get at the moment. It might be nice to actually like figure out a way to circumvent this, so I don't have to think of all these crazy item stuffs. But I mean, it shouldn't be hard to think of one. I probably think of them in bulk in not too long, and then it's just a case of actually implementing them. So, gun, shield, hull, passive. Don't know. So, you have a bunch of names for different types. Okay, so basically, I don't know, do we need an icon just for like, we can make an icon for gun, make an icon for shield, we can make an icon for hull, that can be like a ship or something, an icon for passive, I don't know, that can be like a big plus. I'll have to see about that. I will just open a sprite. The gun one shouldn't be too difficult. Let me see. How big is the actual... wait, I need to open... Wait, it is just the... This is the icon, so how big is this space? We basically have this area to work with. So, yeah, that should be fine. Now we go to a new layer just to make all these new changes, I guess. What should gun look like? So obviously it's going to have to contrast with the grey background. But it's also got to be modulated based on the colour. So, what does white look like? White is very bright. Grey is not so bright. So maybe if I make it... oh, wow, what the hell is that? Okay, if I make it primarily white, and then I add sort of black decals or something, that might look okay. Oh dear. Well, I'm already not going so great. It's fine. What even is this? I mean, I guess if this was shorter. Okay. Kind of like looks like a make this into like a Mega Man type of gun, something like this. Let's give it a border, I guess. And do a hard border on this. Hard corner. No, that looks terrible. There we go. Something like this, maybe. I'm not sure. That looks like a gun, I guess. Sort of like a gun that you would put on a ship, I suppose. Let's see. It's hard to imagine how this would actually look in game. Like, you open the thing and you get this. That'll look like here. A little gun. That would probably be okay, honestly. I don't know. I'll see. I mean, it's been like I spent like less than 1 minute on this. I'll have to see how it actually is, but actually just made it a nice neat 24 by 24. I'm pretty sure that's the actual area we have to work with. I'll just call this something like under object, maybe menu. Where should I put this? Let's put it under menu because it's kind of under the whole menu thing. So let's do icons. Let's do gun.png. Yeah, that should be okay, right? Okay. So now I need to go to the actual inventory script, and instead of setting the what is this? This is not the right script. Instead of setting the instead of setting the text, I need to set a sprite's texture based on on the object's thing. So hopefully that isn't too difficult. Where is the current? Let's see. Okay. So populate bonds with data if it has this, then I need to change this. Well, I'll change this into a sprite. Let's do sprite. Let's keep the pivot here, and let's make sure it's not it is centered. And then I need to do dot texture is equal to load graphics objects. No, it was menu, wasn't it? Icons gun.png. I guess I don't know if we need to do an instance there. Huh. I think we do, because it'll instantiate the actual thing, otherwise it's a packed resource. So we need to do now plus but geez. Data button.get name dot item type, I guess. Is that how this works? Plus, yeah. Let's see, data inventory dot get data, inventory get data returns inventory data is a dictionary. The keys of the dictionary are numerical, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure they're numerical. Okay, I'll see how this works. Okay, I'll generate fake data. But I will inventory item type equals gun. So hopefully, hopefully this will work. It crashed. Instance in stream texture. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't have done instance. I'll just leave this, I guess. Oh boy, what a record-breaking 0 viewers. That's quite nice. Did I send the tweet? Yes, I did. Just nobody's watching, apparently. That's fine. I don't mind. Go ahead. Don't watch. It's fine. Texture on base label. Oh yeah, because all of these are labels. I need to make all these sprites, I guess. I'll just. These all should be. Wow, it's a very loud car outside. Let's move all these into the center, somewhere like that. It's probably good. And these shall be centered. Yeah, cool. Cool. So these are all gun items. That's pretty good. Don't know. It looks fine, I guess. I'll be able to stop generating fake data when I actually have this done. Okay, so now on to the next thing here. So we need to go to inventory items to see the actual types. Next, let's do shield, I guess. This one is probably not going to be as easy. I didn't expect the gun one to be as easy, although it doesn't look amazing. New. Let's do black first of all. Well, let's do white, I guess. Let's do a nice, like a shield, like a does not look that much like a shield. Interesting. Maybe it should be like a little tiny ship, and then like a shield next to it. So let's do a tiny little ship, like a big shield, like that. Something. Ah, jeez, this isn't easy. Like, maybe if we do like a circle and we just erase parts. Yeah, this might be okay. Oops, erased way too much there. Yeah, that should be fine. There should be something at least. I'll just put a border around this for the consistency. Don't know if this even needs a border. Give it a one-sided border. It's a little too close. Should keep this a little bit of distance. I'll have to redo that single pixel on the ship's front, but I can do that. Maybe more of a distance still. Basically, oops. Keep doing this, and then let's see how far away. Maybe this would be okay. Okay, it's very hard to tell actually. Oh yeah, I forgot this one's gone. I think that's okay. I'll see the way it's a placeholder. I don't even know if I'll keep the whole items thing. That's kind of like, I'm on the fence about it right now. Maybe I should just do like an upgrades tree, because that would be more straightforward in terms of content and knowing exactly how much there is. It would make it less roguelike, I suppose. But I don't think I'm going for roguelike. I'm going for arcade more than roguelike, or like sort of arcade. I don't know. Oh, jeez. Damn, I'm just not sure really. Well, maybe I should like plan this out more before I just go straight into this, because let me open up my lovely text editor. I think it's gedit. Pretty sure. I don't know how to check, but yeah. Let me think. So I kind of want this to be like arcade. I want to have some replay value. I want it to be easy to jump into. I want it to be easy to jump out of. And unless I implement a save system, this means that I don't want there to be a save system, because I don't want this to be like, I don't want each playthrough to be long. Each playthrough should be short. So this seems to imply, let me put this tabs back down to a normal humane size. Let's see. So this means that I probably shouldn't have a save system, or I shouldn't bother with a save system. Which means that it could be high scoring. I'd do an underscore there. One sec. Okay, my cat has been freed from my room. Where was I? Okay, so thinking it should be high scoring. I think it should be maybe high score oriented. So maybe you, I don't know. Kind of difficult. Like that would be good for maybe like every time you warp you collect some kind of money. Let's say currency because that's nicer. I'm gonna say this as idea. Let's see, every time you warp you collect some kind of currency, so you could spend that currency theoretically. Spend the currency. An upgrade tree would make sense, or like stat upgrades. Just huge money sinks. Could do a shop. I don't really like that idea. Don't really like that. Same issue as before. We're just doing big fighting. This is a thinking time. There we go. So now everybody who joins the stream will know exactly what's happening. Can I zoom in? View. Excuse me, can I really not zoom in? No, that's terrible. I'm gonna open Sublime and do it in. Oh, actually, I'll do. Do I have Focuswriter on here? I do not. Wait, do I? No, I don't. I don't have it installed, so I won't. Actually, I might as well. It looks nice. Full screen word processor. Is this gonna work, or am I gonna have to use the apt-get? Being doxed there. Anyway. Open on the wrong page. Also, this is a terrible layout. I need to make this look nicer. How do I make this look nicer? Somewhere there is a way to make this look nicer. I'm sure of it. General, a theme section or something. Oh, I just missed it. Okay, let's go for. I don't know. Let's go for old school. So real hackers now. To increase font size to custom. No. Well. I'll duplicate this on editor. I'll increase the font size to like big, real big. There we go. Big old font size. Wonderful. So now let's open idea. Okay, there we go. This is thinking time. Arcade, replay value. Easy jump into, easy jump out of. Each playthrough should be short. High scoring, high score oriented. You every time you warp, you collect some kind of currency. Spend the currency, upgrade tree. Stat upgrade, huge money sinks. Shops don't really like that. Same issue as before. Let's delete that. Let's keep going. So, thing is, because this has a potential to kind of get really grindy, which I don't really like. Ideally, the game should just be fun. I don't know, because like it could do a super crate box thing. Because like super crate box was cool because it was like, let me find super crate box. Guess we're finding super crate box. Is it even compatible with Linux? I hope so. Let's do super crate box. Yeah, it is. So let's see. Why was this game cool? This is studying super crate box. This is design now. This is a design live stream, which isn't actually that far off. So this game was cool because it had like a pretty simple thing you gotta do, and you collected the points, and you unlocked the new weapons, But the weapons unlocked regardless of whether you did good or bad. Eventually it does just get boring, I suppose. I guess that happens. I guess that's kind of bad, because it doesn't have necessarily a specified endpoint. Oh, good. Like, I know that you can play Super Crate Box for a lot of time. Like, I have played it for a lot of time. I don't know why it's being so weird right now. But, yeah, like, Super Crate Box was fun, because it felt good to play. It was, like, good, real, juicy gameplay, as it's known. So I guess that made it fun, just like the satisfaction aspect. On the other hand, this is a free game, so it might be held to a different standard, I suppose. It could be I have no idea why this doesn't work. I'll just restart Steam. Oh, can I even do that with Godot open? Is that the problem? Is this having an issue because of this? I'll shut it down, I don't care. Yeah, so let me restart Steam anyway. So yeah, what was I saying? Super Crate Box was cool just because it was satisfying to play and it was simple. It was easy to put up and put back down. And once you were in it, you didn't really want to stop. So, like, each session was potentially very short, but the objective is to just keep going as long as you can. Oh god. So let's see. Let's play Super Crate Box and see for a little bit. Let's play Super Crate Box and see what it is. Let's call me Alex. Thanks. Oh my god, this is loud. Yikes, this is really loud. I don't know if it is on stream. Okay, let's turn that way down. Wow. Turn that like here. Okay, that should be fine. It's probably almost inaudible. But yeah, okay, so this is good. It's like cool. It's pretty simple. Avoid the enemy. What enemy? Oh. All you really have to do is do this, which is cool. So this tutorial bit, I would argue, is not very good because it doesn't actually. It shows you in game, I guess, but like I think it could have been done better. Let's see. So I'm actually pretty good at this game too. Let's see what made this cool. Well, it was cool because like there was a combo aspect. Like it felt really good to actually win, and you knew exactly when you were to win each time. Like how to win. I mean, it was very simple. Like you could see the crate, and once you could like see yourself like pick it up very easily. And also there's kind of like a combo aspect, like a muscle memory almost. That's something I don't know if I'll be able to recreate in WARP-TEK. Like the combo. Well, maybe the combo aspect, but the memorizing it and like the gameplay actually being like real snappy. I don't know. I'm sure there's a way of doing that. Like as I said, if I were to implement like an upgrade tree, that might be the best case. And the upgrade tree would like would cost whatever the money you get from warping, I'm thinking, because that would kind of like keep you entertained, I suppose. I might have to like implement some kind of don't know. I could do it, I think, because I could keep the star map. I could just do like each run, I suppose. You get like some upgrades. You get to choose what you do on the upgrade tree. Maybe aspects of the upgrade tree are randomized. That might be kind of fun, but I don't know. That could also be difficult. Oh great, I got a bunch of stuff. That could also be difficult. So obviously this game has very tight gameplay. I mean, I just hit restart without even thinking about it. and that's kind of, it keeps you hooked, even though theoretically it's very easy to put down. You have options pretty much every time you lose, and for somebody who's new, that's very easy. You lose constantly. I know when I was new at this game, you just lost constantly. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to, oh great, difficult to think. I'm thinking maybe an upgrade tree would be a good idea, honestly. Yeah, I'm sounding like repeating myself, but basically keeps the player hooked. It'd probably be pretty fun. You have like a, based on money you get from warping a bunch of times. I don't know how you would like call it and just like fight the boss is the only thing, because like otherwise, I don't know if I want to do like a final boss thing. Like maybe that'll be good or maybe not. I do want to have a few bosses. Like that'd be kind of fun. Don't know if they should just be like rare and random or just not, because if they're rare and random it could feel like very like unfair, or it could be like pointless if you just like don't get a boss, which is, I could fix that, but I don't know, it doesn't feel good. Like it doesn't, like a boss is good because it like signifies progression, that you like got to the end. But I suppose if the boss was just random, there'd be like no way of well, there wouldn't be as easy to like signify that progression. So maybe like, I don't know, maybe there'll be some way to like signify that you're ready for the boss, like you press a button and you're like, or like during warp you can press a button to like visit the boss. Or if you're like, I don't know, like would you like power up maybe? Maybe there's like bullets, like you maybe, so you know the mid-sized bullets that fire, I don't know if you do, when you actually complete a, no, the mid-sized bullets that fire when you press the left mouse button. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted by this game. You can, maybe you would gain those every time you warp, and the idea is that you would like warp a bunch of times to like save up those, and then when you're ready you could see that you could visit the boss and try to destroy him. That might be an idea, because you could still like waste them a lot, or you could just like go straight into the boss, I guess, is an issue. So I guess I'd have to make those bullets do a lot more damage maybe. Maybe that would be something. And then there's the incentive is like double, because you get to like, yeah, I get to like just completely max out this upgrade tree if I were to like just warp for a thousand years. Or I could like just go straight to the boss. I just want to like kill this boss and get rid of whatever reward this boss gives me, which is like progression or something like that. I kind of like that idea. So like, yeah, that's like the best plan I've had so far, which is to like you can warp however much you want. Enemies will get harder on each time, or each warp. They're like, I don't know, they'll get stronger in some way. They might get faster, or different types might appear or something. The different types would appear on the later stages anyway, because overall this game is based on stages. So let's see. Okay, well I think that'd be pretty good. What should I implement first even? I guess I should implement like the whole, like the money, like the warp tokens. I don't want to call them that. Warp crystals would probably be fine. I don't really. I know Florian's going to accuse me of ripping them off again. It's the whole crystals thing. But I'm going to do it. Let's see. Yeah, that'll be okay. So I'll finish this. I'll finish up this game of Super Crate Box, and then I will get to implementing the money system every time you die, because actually that's quite cool. Money every time you die. Then you can spend that in an upgrade tree with like big costs or relatively big costs as you go up the upgrade tree. Potentially like some kind of randomization in the upgrade tree, but that might be a little crazy. Yeah, that might be okay. I'm not sure about like the stages thing, but like maybe I should do like permanent benefits. I don't know. That's kind of thinking in the long term more than I probably should be. Okay, well, I've lost. So now I can go back to the engine. I'm sure that a lot of people started watching and like saw me playing Super Crate Box and now have like, or are now mad that I'm like not doing that. Yeah, I see a bunch of people tuned in and left like within the past few minutes. So don't worry, I'm doing what I'm meant to be doing. Don't hurt me. Let me just jot this down. Let's see. So, final plan. Get money per warp. Spend money in upgrade tree, and fight boss when you are ready. Regain big bullet every warp. Yeah, each stage ends with boss fight. That might be okay. Okay, also I gotta do something about this logo. I don't like the logo. This just looks weird, kind of strange. Doesn't feel like warpy, it just feels strange. I gotta fix that, but not right now. I got other stuff to do. So, hopefully this shouldn't be too hard. So first on the list is get money per warp. That'll probably not be too hard. So I guess I should go to the bullet hell bit, into a wave manager, I suppose, because that's the bit that actually handles all this warp stuff. Oh, is it? Did I put the warp stuff in here? I think I did. Okay. Warp. Emit signal speed up. I could just do like emit signal warp. Let me see. So I could do something like, do I have an inventory? I do have an inventory. I'm gonna have to change how this is though. I mean, I could just do like bullets. Let's see. Warp crystals equals 0, bullets left equals 0 by default. Then actually, I wonder if that would crash the game, just having bullets left equals 0 when you begin. I don't think it should. No, it's fine. Okay, just checking. Because I know that sometimes, like, if something is I mean, that's an edge case, isn't it? That's what an edge case is. So, yeah. Don't mind me. Just drinking tea. Let's get inventory dot warp crystal plus equals 1. Or we could just do warp, and then I guess we could do a function here that's like handles everything that happens when you warp, which is bullets left plus equals 1, warp crystals plus equals 1. Now let's go back to bullet hell, and we should upgrade the UI. So that is in bullet hell, I think, actually. Let's do generate bullet graphics. Yeah, so I mean, let's not do 3, let's do Q3 just because that's kind of weird, but that should be alright, shouldn't it? Oh, if you've got to call the generate bullet graphics. Generate bullet graphics, and hopefully let's just see. Okay, we start off with 0. Oh, we need to kill, and we have no fancy bullets, and this is still going too fast. I don't know why. Oh god, stop right there. Oh, okay, so that didn't even register. That's amazing. So I have messed up somewhere. Where is this? Is this in the speed up bit? Is that what's happening? Speed. Where is volatile speed? You need to go back to where you were. Okay. And I also needed to generate a new target because that one is broken. And set a new target because that one is broken. Okay, I mean good enough. It was the second worst one it could have chosen. Just above the one that is literally broken. I'll fix it, don't worry. It's not right now. Okay, cool. So that does seem to work. Oh, okay. I need to actually make the waves not immediately go into the boss, because that is an issue. Although probably I should disable that logic altogether since it's now being completely different. Pick new target. Let's just comment all of this out, and let's just remove this bit. Actually, I should have commented this too. And all this can go down. Okay. So this looks nice. Real purple. There we go. So now it's chosen a good one. So I'll go for a few this time, assuming that what I just did worked. So go ahead, warp, do it. Okay, now it's doing the same. Has this disabled spawns? This is disabled spawns. Come on. Let's not do that. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't know why that is. Waves beaten. Ah, okay. Again, let me just comment this in case I need it later. But I probably won't, so let me see. So, we gain. Oh, what is that? Oh no. Okay, that's an issue. That sure is an issue. If targets like, oh wait, I need to put both of these in here. Because otherwise that's gonna give me some horrible errors. Let's go here. This guy opens his mouth. Oh damn it, this one's broken again. Forgot all about that. Okay, this one is not broken. This one works quite nicely. Okay. So I think that's okay. Let's see. This one's broken. I need to just fix this guy. Let me just fix it. It shouldn't take me too long. But it is kind of important because otherwise it's taken up so much time. Also, he has so much health. But this one's health. Well, I'll leave that one. But yeah, let's change this one. Let's find the die. Get parent, kill target. That's easy enough. Get parent, kill target. Sick. Nope, can't do that. Alright. So. Okay. 2 more left. Oh yeah, we have negative health, but don't worry, that won't stop us. It's fine. Another one. Let's make sure this works. Actually gives us the appropriate number of bullets. If this gives us... Ah, that's an issue. If this gives us 3, this is gonna start the new batch like here, isn't it? It's gonna keep going. Well, that would suck. Interesting. Okay, so that's not working. So I'm gonna need to fix that by changing the generate holographics thing. So I could do Q3, or I could just do wait a second. For get node, I just remove the childs or children. Destroy the children, or I'll just remove them. Oh, hello, Mr. Bowblend. Real cool. And yes, music ampersand asterisk to you too. What am I doing? Remove child I. And hopefully that'll work. Because then it won't be counting the children, which would be ideal. Okay, we got 1. Okay, no, come back. Damn it. I need to remove friction against that back wall, because that's really annoying. Okay, 2. Well, let's get up to 3, then I'll fire one and I'll see how it handles losing it. So again, negative health, it's fine, don't even worry. So we got 3. And now let's fire one. That's grey, which is good. And let's just try to warp again, and hopefully that just replenishes it. Wonderful. So what if I get all of them? This should only replenish one. Yeah. Yeah, okay, cool. Well, it does seem to remove all of them, but that's okay, I don't really mind that. Okay, so that seems to work nicely. Cool, yeah, alright. Again, suspiciously easy. Already been going for 40 minutes, that's crazy. Let me close this. So technically the player gains money now, as far as I can tell. What the hell? Animation finished from error calling message from signal on sprite animation finished. So what's going on in this guy's thing? Here's on animation finished. Can I see this? On animation play animation finished. On animation play animation finished. It should be able to do this fine, right? Signal animation finished on sprite animation finished. Message not found. It's not doing that. It shouldn't be doing. Oh wait, what's this doing? Why is this happening? What? Oh, well, it'd be an endless mode. You can just get a high score for an endless amount of waves. I mean, probably. I mean, that is like, I don't know. Like, you probably weren't here for when I was like discussing how this is gonna work now. But basically, going for as long as you can is kind of like a core gameplay component. So kind of an endless mode, just like there's an end when you want there to be an end. I'll have to figure out Steam leaderboards and stuff, but that's terrifying because I don't know how GD native works. If somebody wants to explain GD native to me, that's fine. Please explain GD native to me. I want to use it, I just don't understand how. I tried once and it didn't work. Okay. So first, before I continue this, I am going to get some more tea, so I'll be right back. Oh boy, I'm back. Okay, so let's get back on the case. What was I even doing? I don't know. Nobody knows. That's what happens when I step away from my computer. I forget everything. So, that's crazy. It's already been 45 minutes. It does not feel like that long. Easily it could be like 20 minutes, and I would believe that. Anyway, let me see. Well, I could try doing an upgrade tree. I don't really know if I want to do that. I could do the fight boss fight when you're ready thing, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. I'll need to like think while playtesting a bit. So like every time you warp, maybe like there is kind of like a gap when you warp, so maybe it should be like you press a button if you're ready to warp to the boss. Let's see. I don't know, spacebar doesn't do anything, so maybe it's like press space to visit boss or something. And that would do like a big speed up thing, like a type deal. And it would like send you to the boss, I suppose. The only thing is it doesn't actually leave that much space. Let's see. GD native is in docs. Yeah, I know. I read the docs. I tried it, but it didn't work. Like, I just got a bunch of errors, and they confused and scared me. I mean, the documentation is not a good substitute for tutorials and like actual help. Like, documentation is good for like reference, like if you know how to do stuff. But generally, it's like, I mean, it's usually not designed for just teaching you how to use a thing. It relies on a lot of other knowledge that I do not have. Yeah, so I guess some kind of prompt coming up like spacebar to visit boss or something. Or like warp to boss with a little spacebar icon. I don't know. That might be cool. Or warp to boss within brackets spacebar underneath. Something like that might work. I'll have to add that to the canvas layer. So I'll do. It's labeled. Oh, that's that. Label. Let's add our label. Let's do warp to boss. Spacebar. Maybe that would be okay. I have to do a proper view line. I'll do a font. In plugins, I don't know what that means. Like I have read the documentation page for GD native. Like I've seen it and I've like followed the steps, and I've followed the steps on like tutorials and stuff. But I can't make the module work. I don't know why. Like compiling it doesn't work. And then I get stuff that just doesn't happen. It's real confusing. I don't understand. Let's see. That's kind of big actually. Maybe I should use a different font. Oh, that's way too big. Let's see. Oh, it's 18 or 16. Maybe I should do like warp to boss. So I'll add a little child label with the spacebar underneath, because the spacebar is looking way too big compared to how big I want it to be. There we are, something like that. It's centered, so we can actually just extend it to the screen constraints, or screen boundaries, I think is the correct term. Spacebar. Let's do fonts. We can do a new dynamic font. Small pixel. Do 8. And make this centered. Make it down here. Oops. Let's make it like that. Maybe I want to make that a little bigger, because that is very small. Warp to boss, spacebar. well, as I can tell, these should use the exact same size things. Let's see how this looks in game. Like, it won't scroll in or anything yet, but I just want to see. Warp to boss, spacebar. Okay. Well, I guess that could come like a little bit up. It could go like up and then down. Something like that would work. So I'll just keep this here for now. And somewhere is the warp bit. Yeah, warp. So let's keyframe this, the position, which is under rect. Then we gotta do, let's pick it up here. We gotta keep it up there until the speed goes down, or until the this starts to go down. And I'll like put this, make sure this is fully down by here. It'll just stay down. So hopefully that'll work. Oh, it needs to be cubic. Now hopefully that'll be okay. Yeah, that should be okay. Okay. So I also need to do some like enable spacebar or like enable like boss warp thing here, which I should be able to do actually. What the hell is this? What's this pointing to? Is this pointing to bullet hell? That would be kind of strange. Deactivate. It is. Okay, fine, whatever. That's deactivate spawns and reactivate spawns, I guess. I don't know what this is. Randomize stuff. Pick new target. Okay, well it seems to be like. Alright. Yeah, I can do that, like call it like something to just mean like enable boss warp. And then over here, can we do 2? I don't think we can do 2 at this time. That kind of sucks. Oh dear, did I just move something? Oh dear. So I can't do that. I'll have to do a new call function track. I don't have to put it at the same time. Can I move this one up, please? I'd like to move this up to put it next to the other one. And I'll just put this one down here, like disable boss warp. Now we have enable boss warp here, which I think I'll just remove from here and I'll put it here just for neatness. Just do enable boss warp and then disable boss warp. Wonderful. So that should be good. Bullet hell, let's just add those functions now. Func enable boss warp. All this has to do is set boss warp to true, then disable boss warp equals false. Wonderful. So do we have something bound to spacebar? UI select or use should be bound to spacebar, maybe. There's no harm in it, I suppose. E or spacebar, whatever. Well, I should be able to just use that if yeah, so I'll just do like if boss warp and input dot is action pressed use, then I should call this boss warp function, which I have yet to do. Boss warp. Maybe this is something that I should handle in Wave Manager, because I think that's where I have all this other stuff. Spawn boss which? I could spawn a new boss, or I could do, where's the pick boss enemy or something like that? Okay, no. Pick new target. It is pick new boss target somewhere, I think. Or no, there's set boss target. Huh. Well, pick new. Let's see. Let's do boss swap equals false. That way we can just do pick new target true. Then we can do like, oops, if not boss warping, then do that. However, if you are boss warping, do all this crazy business here. And hopefully that'll pretty much handle it. I should think, anyway. Issue here is that I might do this at like 1,000 times a second. And not wave manager dot boss spawned. There we go, just for good measure. Hopefully this will only spawn the boss once. Okay, so let's see. Oh right, we already have crashed. Oh yeah, I haven't actually defined a variable. Boss swap equals false, I think. Oh, Godot grants us an hour late. It's fine, I was several hours late. I'm more late than you are, so it's fine. Damn, those annoying through the live streams, my throat just hurts constantly. In the ones where I don't have somebody else to talk to and like speak half the time, because otherwise I'm just left alone to speak all on my own. Sure, so let's go through a few waves. Let's build up some let's build up a little bunch of bullets here. Ah, wait, that one's something. Okay. Wait, have I not re-enabled collision? That's what's happening here? Oh, okay, so that does just straight up spawn the boss. That's actually awesome. Oh, wait, no, but it reactivates. Ah, it reactivates spawning. Which is potentially bad. So I just... that should be an easy fix, if not boss spawned, really. On the spawning bit. And spawning and not boss spawned. Is the health bar disabled? The player's health bar was just empty there because currently there's no way to die. I just haven't implemented that yet. The boss health bar only appears when the boss appears. But yeah, no, like if I come into the game with like a proper health bar working, then my it should be full. That's lovely. But yeah, then I take damage and it goes down, and well, yeah, I don't die yet. As you can see here, I'm probably about to take lethal damage, but I won't die. Let's see. Let's see. Let's build up a few special bullets, and we can fire them all at Mr. Boss Boy. There we go. I don't know where these other... oh, okay. Okay. Should just be able to spawn the boss. Let me make sure that nobody else has spawned, because that's worrying. Okay. Other players. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's true. Shotgun enemies are OP, and also I suck. And also, the player has, like, no health, because I wanted to see what it was like. Yeah, check out that big laser beam I did. I need to remove the you found thing since I am done with that. But, yeah. Pretty cool. These still aren't unlocking actually, which is kind of a worry. Because when you win, oh, it's probably because I revamped the whole like winning system, and I completely forgot to like actually do that. The eyes are back. Yes, the eyes are back. By popular demand, the eyes are back. Yeah. It's wonderful. The shotguns are more dangerous than the boss. Yeah, because like I'm lazy, I just reused like the boss shotgun attack thing. Also, hi Hybrid. I reused the boss shotgun attack thing on those enemies, so effectively it's using the exact same attack, which is honestly not an amazing idea, but yeah, whatever. Colin Esplin has done a lovely tweet about me. Let's see. I'll just retweet this. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Wow, lazy dev. Excuse me. This is a placeholder. I'm gonna redo it eventually because I mean, obviously, like the sheer quantity of bullets is pretty crazy. I'm not sure that's something I should really like keep for the long term. So yeah. Okay. Where was I? I got interrupted. God. Oh yeah, I was trying to fix these buttons because that's upsetting. So I guess it's just not setting the galaxy to complete, or the sector, or whatever it's called. It's got a few names. So once the boss is dead, get rid of boss. That does nothing. Where's the boss? When he's dead, what happens? Not dead. He dies, and then this happens. Emit signal. Boss dead. The retweet of the retweet of a tweet. Yeah, I'm aware, but you know. Boss dead. Where the hell was this defined? What the hell is connected to this, I should say? I probably shouldn't just like connect thing. There was a one-liner for this. God damn it, there was a one-liner for this. Well, get rid of boss, that does nothing. Yeah, the boss is too powerful, dude. You got too much raw power. God damn, I need to figure out where I put the signal though. Boss dead. Okay, nothing in here. Nothing in here. Boss dead. Yeah, was he? Okay, well I've already got it, but yeah, egrep was the one I was looking for. Oops, hit my microphone there, hoping nobody minded. Prepare minigame. Okay. So this prepares the minigame, which when it's done, oh, it doesn't do anything. So that's probably the issue. Oh god, unless it goes camera zoom in. Okay, well that shouldn't do anything. Spawn minigame. Oh, back up here. Spawn minigame. Boss dot delete. So that goes to the boss and runs the delete function. That just does that. So nowhere is it actually doing that. So I feel like Win used to have more stuff in it. Current level dot sector dot 1 equals true. So I don't think Win is actually being like win screen equals visible. No, win screen dot visible equals true. Blade able to shoot equals false. Interesting. That's kind of concerning because I think this might actually be being. This might actually be like. I'll have to see. I'll just check real quick. Okay, actually, good thing I didn't See, there's giveaway of pixel a particle effect software on Twitter. Yeah, that's okay. Like, if it's like a lot of that software that I've seen hasn't been like that impressive. I don't know. Like the particle effects in Godot are like really like that's plenty. Let's see. Okay. That looks pretty cool. So now we... Okay, so it does not run that code. Cool. Because if it ran that code, it would have actually revealed my windscreen, but it didn't. So, where is my... I guess it should run that when it's ready to kill the boss, or when the boss is... a minigame is spawned. Get rid of boss. The minigame should time out with this get rid of boss function. So let's just go here and let's do get node win, and that should be good. Even though I could just actually call win as it is, and that'd be fine too. Shit pub, let's try this again. Hopefully this will work this time. I've got a good feeling out of this because I'm pretty sure that's good, because that bug was like scaring me for a while. I was thinking that's going to be something really rubbish, isn't it? With like something to do with the way I programmed everything. But okay, time to finish this, and we just need to finish. This is going to be timed in the future. We do a big old laser beam. One, return to ship, and woo! No, unlocked. Wonderful. So that actually is good. I think the difficulty should scale based on the X position. Let's see. Oh, that wasn't meant to happen. I don't know what the hell that was, but it's fine. Whatever. Thick shield, yeah, whatever. Cool. So that actually unlocks things. I should do like different colors for completed sectors, maybe. Yeah, cool. Alright. Like, my throat is really dry, I don't know why. Like, it's never usually this dry, it's like, it just hurts. It's really warm, so maybe that's got something to do with it. Okay. Or maybe it's in like a recovery from those 5.5 hours I spent live streaming yesterday. Even though I didn't speak for a lot of that because there was like, you know, Floyd talking about Tetris. God. Whatever, let's just take some bullets, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, warp to boss. We could warp to the boss, or we could just not. I'll have to fix that, or make that indicator look a little nicer actually. Not sure, I don't want it to look too pushy is the thing. I don't want it to be like, yeah, you have to do this now. I want it to like give the, like, just to give the player like the option. So maybe I should just add a question mark or something. I'm also not 100% on the font, maybe that could look better. Warp to boss, spacebar. Not sure. Don't know, maybe, I don't know, should it stay from the bottom? I should make it smaller, because it's kind of like overbearing as it is. So I will reduce the font size down to 8. Well, maybe I shouldn't, maybe I keep it 16. I'll just use a different... Ah, come on. I'll use a different font, maybe. Okay, maybe this will be okay. I'll add a question mark. Warped boss. Made the game cluttered with bullets like in Toho. I am nowhere near like good enough to handle all those bullets. Like, there's so many bullets in that game. I don't. That's not good. I'm not about that. And put waifu in there, as in the Godot The Godot mascot? Is that what you want? Is that what you want, Heinrich? Is that what you're about? God. God, I can't believe this. I can't believe this at all. I can't believe what you're asking me to do, what you're trying to make me do, what you're convincing me to do. Like, you're not convincing me to do it. I'll never do that in my entire life. Okay. Another thing, I also want this game to be like easy to people to like understand. I don't want to make it too complicated. I think it's really hard to gauge how complicated something is, because usually like things that are easy for other people are really complicated for me, and vice versa. So like, oh god. Okay, this seems to be fine. I'll make like, maybe you have to do like a minimum number of ways before you even have the option. Like, that would probably help. I'm also not sure I should just put this into the same animation. When am I going to sell 10? I'm going to sell 100,000 copies. Just because of waifu. Okay. I guess you're right. I guess I'll price them all at... If I'm going to sell 100,000 either way, I'll just price them all at 100,000. So then that way I'll get like, what, 100 billion dollars? Yeah. They're useless. They don't accept dollars in this country. But, you know. Whatever, right? It's fine. Okay. Let's see. I really feel like I should re-enable collision because this isn't good. Also, the stupid... See, instead of parts, you should collect waifus that add bonuses to your ship. Yeah, that's a really strong idea. That's really ace. It's really, I might not even able to take damage anymore. I don't think I can. I think I'm invulnerable. I think I'm actually like, I can't even... Yeah, look at that. Bots literally just don't even touch me. What have I done? What have I done? Okay, so nothing. I'm just like, I can't touch anything. I can't hurt anything. Well, I guess I'll do the boss now. I should make that go down. And make a top-down shooter where the guns you collect for waifus. That's really good. Really proud of you. Okay. So, ow. It's pressing my elbow into a metal thing. That hurts. Let's see. What to do now? I should make this not in here. This animation should not even be here. The revolver was the Asian, the machine gun was the black, rich and short dudette. Yeah, I mean, that's something you could do. That's totally a game. Dude, I should like, you know how this keeps glitching? I should just like put some really sinister text, like, killed them all, except repeated 1,000 times. And that way when it glitches it looks super spooky. There we go. Oh, or just kill them. I say kill them, I'm an idiot. Come on. I am an actual idiot. I can't believe it. Kill them, really? It was such an easy thing. It was such an easy thing to do. It was such a funny gag. And I can't believe I really messed that up. This is like... This is ruined now. This sucks. I'm so sorry, everybody. Okay, so hopefully when the screen glitches, it'll expose some of that. Wow, that just ruined my day. I can't believe this. I don't even know what to do now. I think I'm done. I'm not. Keep going. Why is this working? It shouldn't. Well, I'm pretty sure it'll crash as soon as I do this. What? Oh. I guess it doesn't take like any data from the sector, so it doesn't need it loaded. Okay, sure, whatever. Yeah. Protagonist is the son of Satan who lost his power and relies on the main character to regain the waifu powers. That's a game idea there. Somebody, you gotta protect your copyright, dude. Somebody in the chat is gonna steal this idea. Maybe I'll steal this idea. You don't even know, man. It could be anyone. Let's see. So okay, so I'm making this into an alternate Kantai collection? I don't know what that is. Am I gonna Google this and be sad? Oh, it's anime. Okay, let's see. Ah, man. Okay. So, I need to concentrate. So, I am going to put this into its own animation. I'm going to give it an animation player. I'm going to call the animation. The animation is going to be like, go up. And then it's gonna... It's just gonna be like that, and I guess I'll have another animation just go down, which can like interrupt it. So let's keyframe the position. Let's put this up like this. Oh damn it! I always do this. Keyframe the position like that. Let's keep it up there for. Wait. What was the timing like in Warp? It starts. Ah, jeez, come on. So it goes up immediately, and it goes down after 3 seconds. Goes up immediately, goes down after 3 seconds. Goes up immediately, then goes down after 3 seconds. I'll make this cubic. Oh yeah, wonderful. Now I have to do this. I have to do another call function track, and I'll connect this to wallet hell. And oh my god, I'm dropping everything. 1 second, I'm tangled in wires. There we go. Here I need to add another thing called, was it enable boss warp? It was, wasn't it? Enable boss warp. And then down here, another one called disable boss warp. Okay, cool. I need this to be called kind of soon. Let's see. Then let's do go down, which is the other one, which should just like, if it is up, say here, then go down should start here and it should just go straight down. Like that. Oops. Put it right down, like I want this to go like right down. Okay. Maybe I should make this a little cubic. I'll do cubic, I don't think it really makes a difference. Okay, whatever, it's fine. So, ideally, should this disable boss swap? I mean, I don't think it really makes a difference. Like, theoretically it works fine without that anyway. So, yeah. Boss swap, which would involve pick new target true. And get node warp to boss / animation player.play, go down. Cool. And hopefully this would overwrite the other animation. So I guess in this warp animation I'll do like get node canvas, and then we'll do warp to boss.play, go up. Getting a little bit confusing, this code is a little It's kind of got a lot of stuff just going everywhere, which is kind of worrying. I don't want to like hit a tech wall because my code was untidy and nothing is spawning. Okay, scared me for a second. I was thinking, have I bugged this? Have I like just ruined everything? Warp to boss? No, thanks. Okay, that's working properly. Let's do after this wave. Let's do warp to boss. Yeah, let's go. Okay, cool. So it shuts that down very nicely, and now we get a boss. Oh yeah, and a mini game. Cool. Easy enough. Then we win. Then everything is wonderful. Amazing. Cool. Amazing and cool. These are the essential components of game dev. Amazing and cool. So yeah, wonderful. Seems to work quite nicely. God. It's like so hard to concentrate. I don't know why. Like, it's kind of warm. Maybe that's it. Like, I'm not good at concentrating when it's so warm. What else do I need to do? Also, when my like mouth and throat hurts. Ugh. What else am I doing? What else am I doing? I don't want to start on the upgrades tree today. I think that's maybe like too much for right now. Oh. 2 portion of cool, thanks. No, you get 1 portion of cool, you get 1 portion of awesome. That's how it works. Oh, is this? Did I overwrite my ideas? I think I might have overwritten my ideas. This is a horrible idea. What have I done? Yeah, I can't believe I overwrote all those that idea thing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, regain big balls every time you warp, fight boss when you're ready. I mean, basically, it's just the upgrade tree thing, which is like the in the core game, as it were, like that kind of thing. Oh God. So no, tomorrow I'm not going to have much time to stream. Tomorrow I might not even be able to stream at all. You have 2 paid games published already. Can you make enough to survive on them? Not even close, baby. No, not at all. In fact, I'm like not even 10% there. Like, those games don't sell very well. Yeah, like Massacres did well on release, but it's not got amazing like long-term sales, like Tail, I think it's called. The other one did not have a very good release day sales, and it's just gotten worse. So yeah, like overall, no, I can't even remotely survive on them. Hopefully this one will change things though, because I'm feeling quite confident about this one. I think this one is actually like, because the other 2 games I have like genuinely weren't that good. Like, I can 100% understand why they aren't getting sales. Like this one though, I think I would be like more confused if it didn't get sales, because now I'm doing the marketing thing. That's what I'm doing right now. This is marketing, sort of. And you know, I'll contact news outlets at some point, and you know, that kind of thing. So I think this one has a much higher chance of being successful, because like I've improved about the actual game making stuff and all like the meta stuff around that, and knowing how that works. Like, it'll be more efficient. It'll just be good. So far not that successful, but now I'm like confident about my abilities, or more so. So yeah, this would be good. So you reckon the marketing will be the key for sales? Yeah, I mean, pretty much, because like marketing is crazy important. Like, even if you make a game that looks good, like nobody's gonna buy it if they don't know what it is, or if you don't show it to them, you know. Like, the mushroom one I did, like I think that one looked pretty good. Like at a glance, like that looked like a game, you know. But like because like I didn't tell anybody about it, like it barely even broke the...
joined your channel.
Oh boy, who just joined my channel?
User
I don't know who that
disconnected
is.
from your channel.
Somebody I don't even know. That's somebody I don't even know. But yeah, he's gone now. But yeah, like I've completely lost my train of thought. Yeah, pretty much. Marketing is honestly like just as, if not more important than the quality of the game itself. Like that's the thing. There's like loads of indies that are just like not picked up because, you know, the marketing's bad, and even though the games are really good, like if the marketing's not there, then nobody buys it. So who do you tell? Who do you contact? Like, I don't really know. I mean, right now I'm just telling like the void. I'm just making like YouTube videos and hoping that people like share them and see the game. But that's marketing to like other game developers, which maybe isn't a great idea. So what like I'm planning on doing is to contact like news outlets or potentially YouTubers. What I've heard, like sales conversions aren't amazing there. So pretty much it's like, yeah, it's like mostly news outlets. I'll make and send some press releases, I guess. I don't really know how to do that, but I'll like have to figure it out. I mean, obviously, like if I have to figure it out, I will. And you know, I can post stuff on Reddit. Trying to think now. Obviously, Twitter is a big marketing thing, which is very easy to connect with gamers. Yeah. You've been doing this full time for the last what, 2 years? Like not really. No, I should. I have. Well, like I've been in school for like up until a couple of months ago. And when I was doing it with school, like I technically started 2 years ago, because like that was when I started like playing around with like the phaser like that was like the first real attempt I had at making a game, and those were all really, really bad. And like in retrospect, I wouldn't really consider them games that I actually tried with. Those were like, honestly, they weren't even tech demos. They were just apps. It wasn't very good. And that was before I even like went onto the engine, which was only like 18 months ago, I guess. Or the Godot engine. And then it took me a while to like get comfortable with the Godot engine. And you know, then I made a couple of Steam games. But I feel like really like the Steam games were the first games I made where I was like competent enough to like consider those like actual games I was like trying with. And yeah. So you should absolutely contact Gaming on Linux. Yeah, I don't know who that is. I'll have a look though, because that actually sounds like amazing. Home of Linux Steam OS Gaming. How come I didn't know about this? Or maybe I did and I just like... I'll have to check the curators, because I know I sent using the Curator Connect thing a few of these games to people. One of them might have been Gaming on. I know I searched the keyword Linux. I just gave it up to pretty much anyone who was doing that. Curators. Let's see. Let's get exposed. Gaming on Linux. Games that work on Linux. Doesn't really look like it. I'll see the other one, because I think this one actually had more curator attention. 8 versus 7. Let's see. Life is Strange. Reviews. The Way Game Mixer. Indie Makes You Happy. Devious Picks. Yeah. Give up. Okay, so I haven't. Okay. But I guess I will. Because that's like... That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, I'll have to see this. I'll bookmark this page. This Gaming on Linux website. You can't see it 'cause it's 2 monitors, but yeah. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Sick. Wonderful. Okay, let's see. He's really cool and receptive to talk to. The Naughty Squid or Gaming on Linux. Oh, okay, cool. The Naughty Squid. Presumably his personal account. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. I wonder if I've actually seen this guy around. I do kind of recognize the logo. Oh, he's also in the UK. Well, that's awesome. Yeah, sick. I followed the Gaming on Linux account. That's pretty cool. That'd be really good. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, thanks for that. That looks useful. Alright, cool. Wonderful. So, I suppose the thing I have to do now is work on this. I prefer the solo stream, not because I don't like the others, but I managed to focus more on what you are doing. Yeah, like, I think they're just different. Like, the thing is, with the solo stream, my mouth and throat hurt. And also, if I get, like, distracted, it's kind of harder to, like, stay focused, maybe. But on the other hand, they distract me anyway, so, like, maybe I just suck at having an attention span. But, yeah, like, I 100% get that. Like, it's easier to follow what's happening. It would be a lot harder to do a perfectly solo 5-hour stream, I think. Like, possible, I suppose. It's just, it would require, like, training my voice and throat and everything to be able to keep going for that long. Because that's something that needs practice, I suppose. Yeah. I've been drinking a lot, but that only does so much. Okay, cool. So, well, I guess I'll, like, just start planning the upgrades. I'll have to plan it before I actually get started working on it, because, yeah, like, I don't want to just start programming stuff. That's, like, a bad idea. So let's do upgrades menu. Let's do a little underline there. Train like I'm a cutie pie. Yeah, I will. I will have to train like I'm a cutie pie. I got hair like him. Like pretty much the same length, come to think of it. So yeah, perfect. Yeah. Upgrades menu. I mean, obviously there's the big ones like strength, big 3, strength, speed, HP. This is like a cool thing I found called Focuswriter. It's really customizable. It's like there's all these kind of like themes and stuff you can choose. But yeah, it's real wonderful. No, I actually have quite nice teeth. My teeth are pretty healthy. But yeah, Focuswriter, it's good. I would recommend it. I got it from Pixel Prophecy, who uses something similar to this. It might actually be this, but yeah, good old Pixel Prophecy. Go check him out if you haven't. He's pretty cool. He does like these really good Ludum Dare like documentaries. They're made with like such high production values. It's crazy. Strength, speed, HP. Those are the obvious ones. So I guess, yeah. Then I could do like more interesting ones like triple shot. I should probably call this tree, not menu, because it's more like a tree. Triple shot, fast shot. Huh. Okay, goodbye, God of Grunts. Go enjoy your lunch. While I sit here and think of a bunch of upgrades to implement. Okay. Triple shot, fast shot. What are the other ones? There is penetrating rounds. Yeah, probably boomerang would work. Don't know. Boomerang. What about ship things? Maybe like, oh, why not explosive? Of course, explosive rounds. What else? Let's see, ship type stuff. So, what would like a ship have? A ship would have maybe like, I could do like drones, maybe. Drones. 1 upgrade to 3. I could have maybe like yeah, familiar entities like drones. Yeah, laser gun. Do laser, I guess. Kind of hard to convey that is the only thing. Let's see. What else is that? Let me think of things like about the actual ship itself. I think regenerating health might be nice. Regenerating HP. Take all the metal slug guns. I don't even know those guns. Regenerating HP. Open the wiki and copy them all. Okay. Okay. That's a good idea. That won't get me in any trouble. Let's see. Weapons. Yeah, that's like. Oh yeah, homing rounds, obviously. Oops. Homing rounds. Let's see, obviously these are accounted for. So we could do. What else? Is there anything to upgrade which isn't the ship or the ship's bullets? There could be like the I could do active items. I don't know. Is that too much? Active items might be a bit much. I could like I could improve the. I guess most of those are these sort of factored in. Let's see. Increase warp bullets per warp. I'll make that more concise in the future, I guess. So as you could like increase money, income per warp. Yeah. Actual shield. Let's see. Explosive rounds. What about like the enemies? Maybe those could be. I could do weaker enemy. It's kind of difficult because what's the difference between a weaker enemy and a stronger bullet, really? I do like slow burst enemies. Don't really want to mess with that. Like at all. Not like a ship engine. How can that be? That can be like more efficient. You're not really burning any resources. So about like chance to not consume warp bullets, I guess. Let's see. Dodge roll. Yeah, I could do like a dodge roll thing. So that'd be like a temporary invincibility, something like that. Oh, hello, Alexandros. Nice to see you back here today. A chat that blocks enemies. Yeah. Like the thing is, like, I don't know if I want to do active items. I don't know if that would be too much. Like, that might make things too complicated, or too, like, I don't know. Let's see. The target system, reduce targets to kill, I guess. What about the boss? Is there anything I can do with the boss? Like, maybe... let's see. Dunno. Well, I mean, these are a bunch to work with right now anyway, so I think maybe I should come back to this. Okay, well, I will see about this. I should maybe, like, get a... I should make, like, a tree. I'm thinking maybe I could, like, randomize, so I could, like, split these into, like, tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 upgrades, maybe. And I could have them... Oh yeah, sure, a melee weapon. Like a melee weapon. Like a big... Like when you shoot it, like... shoot creates a big boom where you are. Maybe something like that, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, I'll have to see. So I guess I will split those into tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. Some of these would be really good. That means they'd be like under, like the last. I guess that they would be randomized, yeah. So I'll make some big thing. Maybe is it possible to draw like a styled line with Godot? I wonder if that's like maybe possible with 9-patch. Don't know. Yeah, draw a line using texture. Maybe I'll have to see. Draw line using texture. Godot. Custom drawing. Line 2D. Line texture. What? Oh, that's pretty cool. Texture to simple white image. Okay. I didn't realize that texture frame had that. Yeah. Yeah, they could. I mean, I'm not doing items anymore. Like, I don't know if you were here for that even. But like, basically, I'm gonna replace like the whole item system with upgrades because it just, I don't know. Items are more, or don't keep the player like engaged as much. Like, for what the kind of for the kind of thing that I'm trying to do here. I want it to be like a... I mean, I played Super Crate Box at the beginning of this game basically just to like get ideas, so it's, you know. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna get a drink, and then I'm going to maybe start dealing with maybe a upgrade tree or something. So I will be right back. Oh boy, and I'm back. So, what was I doing? Yeah, upgrade tree. Let me see. Let's make a big old canvas here. But I think I should maybe do this in the game. So, I had a little thing here. I will reveal it, even though I haven't done the sprite proper. It doesn't look very good as of right now. Oh, it is pink though. Surprising. I'll sort this out at some point, but not right now, because right now is a design and programming thing. So let me see. Let's get the player script, and oh boy, if I keep doing this for another 40 minutes, Florian might join. That's pretty cool. Crafting table, open crafting table. What does this do? This doesn't exist. Oh, it does. Crafting menu. Wait a second, the crafting menu is just a star map. Come on. Come on. The crafting menu should actually be the upgrade menu. Now. Those star map. I can remove all references to the crafting table. So it's very warm. Okay. Let's call this upgrades menu 2. And upgrade menu. Let me see, make sure this works. And all the way over here. And wonderful, we get a lovely error message. So, we need to fix that by going to menus. We need to delete this one. Yeah, you heard me. We need to save over upgrade menu. Upgrade menu. Upgrade your ship. There we go, something like that should work. I'll make a new script because obviously there's not much that can be shared. Menus, upgrade menu, create. Let's see. What do I need to do in this upgrade menu bit? Again, my head is just all over the place. I'm so sorry about this. Our exit button. This shouldn't need anything external. Yeah, upgrade your ship. So I'm taking 1 block here, 2 here, maybe. I don't know. Probably should have more than 6 options at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe you could fit up to 10. I don't know how many I mapped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 15, assuming I use 2/3. Maybe that'll be okay. Ah, jeez, I don't even know. I have to make a few upgrades, but it's easier to make a lot of upgrades than a lot of items. Because items are more difficult, potentially. Because you need to make more of them in general, in order for it to not feel like you're just repeating the same few items. Alright. Buttons, let's rename this upgrades. Okay, I'll make a 9 patch here. Should I even do a 9 patch? I don't know. Make a different tree. Scroll through them. I don't want to have to scroll. Oh jeez. Menu theme, border theme. Well. I mean, this, I don't know. Is this a good idea? That shouldn't be a 9 patch. Doesn't need to be a 9 patch at all. This can easily be a texture button. Texture button. I'll set normal to border theme. Sucks I can't resize it, I guess. Don't know. Stretch mode tile. Can't believe it, it's not even tiling. Okay. Expand, maybe? Ah, there we go, look at that. Wonderful. Oh, that's completely unnecessary. Okay, let's not do that. Let me see, I guess I will... Maybe this is too thick? Don't know. Is this too thick to be a... just call it 1. Then we can make 2 here. I really feel like this is just too big. 99% sure these are too big. Okay, I'll have to do like mini versions of this then. Maybe without the big bulky corners. If I just take this but I remove the corners, it would look a little less crazy. Maybe make these 1 pixel instead of 2. Something, oops, come on. Something like that. 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 And like that. And as I said, I am going to remove these corners, because I do not think they are necessary. Maybe I should keep like something like that on the interior. Oops. Maybe that would just be better anyway. Yeah, so this kind of corner piece would actually look pretty good. So I'm just gonna remove that and I'll just copy paste this. And there we go. I can remove these. Wait a second, I need that. Can't do it 2 corners at a time. I don't know where to put the corner. There we are. There we go. And this one. And hopefully this should be a little bit less insane to deal with as an upgrade icon. I can also maybe make this a little bit smaller still by doing that. Doing that. Doing that. Doing that. This way it looks still stylistically similar, but not completely overbearing. Okay. There we go, something like this would probably look fine. Let's do upgrade panel.png. Let's just save it like that. Now let's get our texture button. Not what I think we need to get icons, which was here, I think. There we are. That's a little better, I think. There we go. Oh, I need to. For simplicity's sake. Some layout like that would look fine. Even though that's 11. I'll remove this one. Ah, oh, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, let's see how this looks. Each of these will have an icon in it. It'll be enabled or disabled or whatever. Okay. How come I have 8 viewers? How come that's happening? God. Okay. I mean, it's good. Don't leave. I mean, viewers are good. But yeah, my throat's not comfortable right now. And neither is my brain. That's why you gotta start early, folks. Start early before your brain starts to degenerate. Move all of these down one. Let's move all of these. Come on. You serious? Can I not move? Okay. Whoa. What's this? because I am great to watch. That's very kind. It's very kind, thank you. But, yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I need to rename all these now, because again, I messed up the number of things I need. Okay, so that's 9, so that's more a reasonable number to have per playthrough, I suppose. I guess you'll start here and continue to the right. So, so I guess each, let's see. 8 viewers, yeah, 8 viewers is great, yeah. Like, 8 viewers is good. You came from snail mail? You did? You did? You came from snail mail? You actually found you found my videos from the snail mail video? Is that what happened? That is incredible. If that actually happened, that is amazing. And you are, well, you're here for the right reasons. You're really here for the right reasons. That is amazing. If you actually found my videos from snail mail, or like, I don't know, if you watch the snail mail videos, you're a good person. Like, that goes for anybody. If you watched my snail mail videos, that makes you better as a human. Yeah. Yeah. That's incredible. I really like that. Oh, jeez. Oh, you signed the petition. That's wonderful. I don't even know. Like, my brain just isn't even processing this. So I think I'm just gonna call the stream now. Like, I'm tired. My throat kind of hurts. My mouth muscles hurt. I'm really warm, and my brain is done, which generally tends to happen at about this time of day, as my brain just switches off. So thanks for watching and being here, and stay tuned for, I mean, maybe I'll be able to stream tomorrow. I don't really know, because I have other stuff to do tomorrow, but I think all that starts at like 1, so I might be able to get a little bit of streaming in tomorrow. Do you get any real money for the videos on YouTube? Well, no, not yet. I mean, I did. I got one single payout, which is pretty good. I got like £60, which is pretty nice. But then they changed the rules on how monetization happens. So now I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last year. And currently I'm up to about 2,000 hours of watch time. So these live streams probably help a lot, because I mean, if I have 5 people watching for 2 hours, that's 10 hours of watch time right there. And I can get 1,000 subscribers if I just keep doing regular content, like daily uploads, and keep my watch time up. Then YouTube will continue to recommend my content. I'll continue to get subscribers. So, like, yeah, it's pretty good. But yeah, I have no money right now, so oh well. Anyway, yeah, maybe 50-50, maybe stream tomorrow. If there is, it's probably gonna be in the morning, probably start about, the earliest it would start is like 10, the late it wouldn't, if it's like 12 o'clock BST UK time, and there's no stream happening that day, so don't like hold your breath for that. Goodbye though. Thanks for watching.